Functional Physio presents ePoster 2020. Associated by Mind Academy and Sportson.
Presenter Debashis Prusty. On title Posture in Human Locomotion.
Hello sir and ma'am, myself Mr. Debashis Prusty from Odisha, S. Binitar College, Bachelor in Physiotherapy, third year. I am very happy to present a presentation in this webinar and this college also. Thank you. My presentation is posture in human locomotion. First thing, what is posture? It is the attitude assumed by the body either by support muscle inactivity or by coordination action of many muscles. Posture maintained by activity of muscle group, that is active posture, and posture maintained by support during muscular inactivity, that is passive posture. Active posture, when the body is at rest with support, the effect of gravity on various parts is nullified. No muscle activity to maintain the posture, that is passive posture. And good posture is, it is the state of muscular and skeletal balance that protects the supporting structures of the body against injury. What is poor posture? It is the faulty relationship of various parts of the body. And what are the causes? Anatomical, it may include hemivertebra, blocked vertebra, square vertebra, etc. Physiological causes, it may be genu varum, genu valgum, equinovarus, coxa vara, coxa valga, scoliosis, kyphosis, forward bending, backward bending, etc. Muscular causes, we have to see many cases like scoliosis or maybe kyphosis, forward bending or kyphosis, etc. All the muscles of those around the spine, it become weak or hyperstretch, so that it may leads to person like a poor posture. It may be neurological problem also and poor hygiene. And after that, what is posture reflex? In active posture, various body parts are subjected to gravitational force depending on the position of line of gravity with respect to the joint axis. The muscle act to maintain a joint stability, that is posture reflex. What are reacting reactions? Irrespective position of body in space, the head assume the upright position, that is reacting reaction. It is of three types: neck reacting, labyrinthial reacting, and optical reacting. What is neck reacting reaction? When the neck muscles are become contracted, it may lead to stretching that produce a reflex. It is known as neck reacting. And what is labyrinthial reacting? We know labyrinth is a part in ear which helps in maintenance of body. When in a human being, a head is not in proper position or in neutral extension position, the labyrinth reacting helps to maintain the head position. And optical reacting. Optical means vision. It is a vision play role. In the posture, a main role is act, that is counter poisoning reaction. And what is that? As the body changes, the center of gravity changes to keep the line of gravity over center of gravity. We maintain a position, that is counter poisoning reaction. And what are the problems may present due to poor posture? Due to poor posture, the head is forward, that is forward head posture. It can be corrected by tell the patient to chin tucking, bilateral arm elevation, forward rotation of scapula. To correct rounded shoulder, backward rotation of scapula, horizontal extension of arm to stretch pectorals. To correct the increased lumbar lordosis, posterior pelvic tilting exercises, abdominal strengthening, hip flexor stretching, and static gluteal exercises. to correct the flattening of your lumbar spine. Anterior pelvic tendon exercises, spinal extension exercise, hamstring stretching, back extension strengthening. How to correct hip and knee flexion? In hip and knee flexion, line of gravity is in front of hip joint and behind knee joint, so that we go for static gluteal or quadriceps exercise. Tell the patient to make a towel 2 to 3 layer fold and place it in a back of knee joint. Patient in supine line. Tell the patient to push it. Stretching of hip flexors, hamstring, posterior knee joint capsule also stretched. To correct lateral foot or flat foot. Tell the patient to walk in lateral border of the foot. And maintenance of posture. Stand up straight, keep your shoulders back, pull stomach in, head level, that is in over neck, arms hang down by sides. And benefits of good posture: it reduces the low back pain, less tension in shoulders and neck, fewer headache, increase energy level, and increase lung capacity also. Decrease risk of abnormal faulty relationship. And treatment: first we see the patient and tell him postural habit diagnosis. After that, postural education, if required, then training, electrotherapy and joint mobilization. And after that we go for physical examination. It is include observation. First we see the patient how he or she comes to the department. Due to postural changes, it may be scoliosis, kyphosis, patient cannot walk without any support, so that the patient need a assistant with his or her or caregiver. After that we go for inspection. Make the patient stand with normal base of support, and we see anteriorly, that is head position, it is midline or not, shoulder level upward or downward, arm trunk distance, level of AIS, patella facing outward or not, foot position, it may be 10 to 15 degree, deviation of umbilicus, and trunk deviation from anteriorly. From posteriorly, level of PAS, gluteal fold, popliteal fold, shoulder level. From side, head over neck, cervical lordosis increase, decrease or normal, thoracic kyphosis increase, decrease or normal, lumbar lordosis it may be increase, decrease, normal or reverse. For cervical spine, make the patient sit in a stool, head position, shoulder level, bilateral symmetrical breathing, scapula position, scoliosis, kyphosis, trophical changes of skin, atrophy of muscle, paraspinalis muscle spasm, etc. should be noted. Movement evaluation: make the patient sit as erect as possible and check all the 6 movement: flexion, extension, side flexion, rotation, etc. Limitation: suggested any dysfunction or not. After we see bony landmarks, it may be navicular, tubercle, medial lateral, malleoli, tibial tuberosity, patella, PSIS, ASIS, this styloid process of both radius and ulna, olecranon process, etc. After the subcutaneous tissue or soft tissue structures, we see nowadays many more number of patients have come due to postural problems. Thank you, sir and ma'am.